Alright guys, very simple video how you can use link on chatgpt. So if I press a random link, for example this one, so this is a link, basically it's about a game, Counter-Strike, and there's a bunch of stuff there, so just put a link and it said I cannot access or browse the internet using the link. So then you just quit that. All you gotta do is go to plugins and download go to plugin store and download a plugin. So there's a plugin called Link Reader. You gotta do click install and click download, and once you do that you just gotta wait for a couple of seconds. If you don't have the plugin options, you gotta by the time you're watching this video, probably many people already have this option. If you don't have it, there's like ChatGPT plugin waitlist. So you're gonna go to that waitlist and click and sign up over here. So then you'll have the plugins ready. It's kind of slow because it's so yeah, as you can see, it's pretty decent data by the link.